The Federal Program Compliance Division will be conducting its 21-22 Program Monitoring Random Validations process in 2 phases. This training video will provide an overview of the Phase 1 process. For Phase 1 of the Random Validation process, the Federal Program Compliance Division administered programs that have been selected are the Big Four, which is Title I Part A, Title I Part C, Title II Part A, Title IV Part A, and Title I Part A Supplement Not Supplant. We will now take a look at the number of LEAs selected to participate in the Phase 1 process. For the Title I Part A program, 60 LEAs have been selected, and from those 60 LEAs, 1 campus per LEA has also been selected for the documentation submission. The selection method includes 12 LEAs being selected from 5 different educational service centers. For Title I Part C, 60 LEAs have been selected. 12 LEAs will be from 5 different ESCs. For Title II Part A, 60 LEAs will also be selected. 12 LEAs from 5 particular ESCs. And for Title IV Part A, 60 LEAs will also be selected, 12 LEAs from 5 ESCs. And for Title I Part A Supplement Not Supplant, 40 A's will be selected. For the selection method, it will be 2 LEAs per ESC. We will now take a look at the number of program requirements selected by program for Phase 1 of the 21-22 Random Validation process. For the Big Four, Title I Part A, Title I Part C, Title II Part A, and Title IV Part A, each of the programs will have 3 requirements that have been selected. For Title I Part A, Supplement Not Supplant, there will be 1 program requirement selected. The program requirements selected for Title I Part A include the Supplement Not Supplant methodology, School-wide Program Campus Comprehensive Needs Assessment, or CNA, the School-wide Program Plan or Campus Improvement Plan, CIP, stakeholders, and the Campus Written Parent and Family Engagement Policy. For Title I Part C, it'll be the Comprehensive Needs Assessment, or CNA, Priority for Service, or PFS, and Interstate-Intrastate Coordination. For Title II Part A, the 3 program requirements selected include alignment with challenging state academic standards, meaningful consultation, and prioritization of funds. The 3 program requirements selected for Title IV Part A include consultation, evaluation of program effectiveness, and description of Title IV Part A funded programs and activities. In summary, for Title I Part A, again, there will be 60 LEAs that are selected with 1 randomly selected campus per LEA. There will be 3 requirements. 12 LEAs will be selected from 5 ESC regions, and each LEA will only be required to submit documentation for 1 selected program requirement. LEAs will be notified upon selection which program requirement they are to submit documentation for. For Title I Part C, 60 LEAs will be selected. There will be 3 requirements. 12 LEAs will be selected from 5 particular ESCs to submit documentation for 1 program requirement. Title II Part A, 60 LEAs will be selected for 3 program requirements. 12 LEAs from 5 ESCs will be selected to submit documentation for 1 program requirement. For Title IV Part A, 60 LEAs will be selected with 3 program requirements. 12 LEAs will be selected from 5 different ESCs for submission of documentation for 1 program requirement. And for Title I Part A, Supplement Not Supplant, 40 LEAs will be selected for 1 program requirement, and it'll be 2 LEAs per Education Service Center. We will now take a look at the timeline for Phase 1. Again, for Phase 1, these are the programs that are going to be validated: Title I Part A, Title I Part C, Title II Part A, Title IV Part A, and Title I Part A Supplement Not Supplant. LEA notification will take place on October 4th via email. ESCs will offer and provide technical assistance between October 5th and November 11th. LEAs will submit their documentation via ESSA reports by November 12th. TEA will complete their documentation review by March 11th. Between March 14th and April 8th, TEA will contact Regional Education Service Centers to discuss the preliminary results. And final results will be shared with LEAs via email by April 26th. This concludes the Phase 1 overview of the 21-22 Program Monitoring Random Validations process conducted by the Federal Program Compliance Division at the Texas Education Agency. If you have any questions, please email them to essaSupport@tea.texas.gov. Thank you.